What's the meaning of bowling? Bowling. Bowling.
Bowling. Bowling. Bowling can refer to the sport of rolling a ball towards a set of pins on a lane in an attempt to knock down as many pins as possible. It can also refer to the act of participating in this sport with others, often in a social setting. The result of bowling is determined by how many pins are knocked down on each turn, with the ultimate goal being to achieve a higher score than one's opponents. Bowling can be a fun and entertaining way to spend time with friends and family, and it can also provide a competitive outlet for those who enjoy testing their skills against others.